Want to know the real secret behind the world's fastest, most innovative teams? It's not about expensive software. The need for a better way reached a breaking point in the late 1990s as traditional methods led to slow, costly delivery and outdated products. In 2001, 17 experts met and created the Agile Manifesto, a simple document that shifts your focus from doing work to delivering value. Now, a quick but important distinction. For simple, predictable work like upgrading laptops, a routine, well-defined process, traditional waterfall is fine. But for complex, creative challenges like building new software or a new product where the end result is constantly shifting, you need agility. That's where frameworks like Scrum come in. They are built entirely on these 4 Agile values. Today, we're breaking down these core values, giving you real-world context and practical actions you can take to supercharge your delivery, starting now. Value 1 is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. We acknowledge that a complex problem is solved faster by people talking to people than by following a rigid checklist. This value prioritizes trust and direct communication above all else. An example scenario, a major bank's mobile app update. When a bug hits, the best solution isn't filing a formal ticket. It's the developer, tester, and product manager jumping on a quick call to resolve it in 15 minutes. Practical action. Replace internal status report emails with a quick, daily 15-minute stand-up huddle where everyone reports their progress and asks for help. Prioritize a direct conversation over documentation whenever there's ambiguity. Next up, working software over comprehensive documentation. For years, companies spent months documenting every possible feature. Agile encourages us to shift that effort toward delivering small, fully functional increments. An example scenario is a successful startup launching a new fitness app. They didn't write a 300-page manual. They launched an MVP, minimum viable product, with just the core logging feature. The working app itself was the proof of concept and the primary driver of feedback. Practical action. Stop writing should-be documents for future features. Focus instead on getting a releasable version of your product, even if it's small, into someone's hands every 2 to 4 weeks. Working code is the ultimate form of confidence. Value number 3 transforms your client relationships. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Move away from an us versus them dynamic. Agile invites the customer to be a continuous partner throughout development. Imagine a marketing agency building a new corporate website. Instead of having one big reveal 6 months later, they host a short demo every 2 weeks for the client. The client sees the site evolving, flags issues early, and gives instant feedback. This joint ownership guarantees the final product meets expectations. Practical action. Schedule a mandatory 2-hour sprint review at the end of every iteration where the team demonstrates the latest working increment to stakeholders and captures their direct feedback for the backlog. The final value is your competitive edge, responding to change over following a plan. The market moves fast. Your plan must be flexible. This value means building a structure that is light enough to pivot when new data arrives. A competitor launches a game-changing feature that suddenly renders part of your existing roadmap irrelevant. A traditional team would argue about the initial contract. An Agile team immediately holds a quick planning session, welcomes the new information, and adjusts the next 3 months of work to counter the competitor. Practical action. Never plan more than 2 to 3 months of work in high detail. Embrace short cycles, 2-week sprints, so that you have built-in opportunities to pause, inspect the market and your product, and adapt your plan. These 4 values, people, working product, partnership, and flexibility, are the foundation of Agile success. They are not abstract ideals. They are practical choices you make every single day. To put this action even further into practice, you need to master the 12 foundational principles that make these values work. If you're ready for the actionable roadmap to success, hit subscribe and let's dive into the next video. Thanks for watching.